So what is up guys, this is Luke once again and welcome back to LD Gaming. So in today's video, as you can see right here, we have a package from Predator. So without further ado, let's dive into this.
LD Gaming.
So before we start with this video, I just want to give a huge shout out to Kwan Corporation, to Sir Derek for hooking us up with this package with these amenities. So yeah, there you go, Kwan Corporation. Social links down below. Let's start. So let's start with this one, the main attraction. So this is the Helios 300. So yeah. I'm speechless guys, so yeah, let's just dive into this. So let's grab our cutter, let's open it up, and yes, let's do this. This is a weird angle to do this, so I'll set this aside and let's start with the amenities first. So first things first, we have the Predator backpack. So let's see how this looks like, and does it appeal to the Predator vibe. As you can see, the Predator badging in all its beautiful glory, and the Predator badge or the Predator logo, if you want. Very nice, very sleek, and it has this watertight, not waterproof, watertight zippers, and the Predator what's this zipper pulling thingy. So let's open it up. So it's a pretty basic laptop bag which protects and supports all your laptop and tech needs. So it has this nice zipper compartment here for your charger, for your mouse, whatever you want to put it, and it has this open compartment to put your documents, your additional, if you want to be the type of guy who's always on the go. And obviously here's your laptop sleeve, wherein your Helios 300 beautifully slides into place, and it's well protected because it has this nice plush foam at the back, and also this nice foam protection for your laptop itself. And at the front, you have a zipper here to store your small nitty-bitty thingies, and that's it. It's a pretty basic backpack, but it's really what's it called? It's basic, but it's very nice and compact to bring because it's light. It keeps your things protected. So yeah, it's really a good backpack. So now moving on to this big boy. So I almost got myself. So let's open this up. So excuse my motorcycle gears. So yeah, let's open this up and let's see how this gaming chair looks like. So first thing, we have your bolts, your bolt covers, and your hex key or Allen key. So yeah. So here is your base. So since we've pulled this out, I think we should start assembling this, right? So yeah, let's start. And there you have it guys. You have successfully finished your Predator gaming chair. So here we go. We will now be opening the bad boy or the main event, the Helios 300. So as you can see, we're using the Predator gaming chair. So this one, as you can see, it has this space in between compared to my high back gaming chair. my previous gaming chair, but this one feels more premium, and I feel that it's straightening my back, giving me a good and better posture when I'm playing and doing computer stuff. Setting that aside, let's move on to this one. Are you guys excited? So this package, this laptop version is the newest iteration of the Helios 300, because this one has the new RTX 3050 Ti. So first things first, this brown box. This one has the power cable and obviously your charger, which is big. Like, it's big, just big compared to my previous Asus laptop. So yeah, and we have some, what are these? HDD upgrade cable. Oh, okay, so we need to keep this in case we want to upgrade our hard drive or put a hard drive inside our PC. So these are the screws, upgrade screws, and the upgrade cable. So these are very important accessories, and thank you Predator for sending those, because we would be adding obviously storage space in the long run. It really feels premium. As you can see, it's a box in a box. It's sealed both sides. There you go, the Predator logo.
Hello? Is anyone out there?
You can open it with one hand. Very nice. And removing this protective cloth, you're greeted with the very nice keyboard from Predator. So I'll do an in-depth review of this laptop soon. But this one, just for the sake of this video, this is just a pretty basic unboxing video. So one thing that I can see is that it has a premium feel, aluminum top, very nice, no flex at all. If there is, very little flex. The port selection is very good. USB 3.1 port, 3.5mm jack, LAN port. I believe this is a gigabit port. Thunderbolt 2 port. That's nice add-on. USB 3, which has PD charging, so you can charge using your USB-C cable if it is USB PD capable. 144Hz 1080p display, this version, but it will go to 1440p, I believe, with 165Hz and also 360Hz. So yeah. So let's set this aside and let's open up the letter. I mean, this thingy. What's this? Oh, stickers and a warranty booklet and a setup guide. So yeah, they're not like Razer. So yeah, so there you have it, guys. And if you like this video, give us a like. If you don't, you know what to do. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace, guys.
Hello? We